welcome back to my channel. I am Britney-Louise. If you are just now coming across my channel, my page, welcome. Why don't you have a seat, pull up a chair, pull out your phone, do whatever. I know you got your phone, your laptop, all of that out. Let's just chit chat for a moment. Today is the day that I finally get to talk to you guys about my Fenty Beauty Body Lava. It finally came in. It came in last Thursday, I want to say, and I finally got a chance to film it and get it out to you guys. So if you want to know how I feel about it, if I love it or if I hate it or if it's too much for me, keep watching. Now before we get into this video, I am going to ask one request, and that is for you to hit that subscribe button, please and thank it, down below, and let's get started with the video. Okay everyone, so as you can see, my face is already taken care of because I want to focus on Body Lava by Fenty Beauty. I finally got brown sugar in the mail because it was not in any Sephora store. They did not have it in Sephora stores. You could only get it online, and by the time I tried to go into Sephora and get Who Needs Clothes, well, your girl was left with, as you can hear, this paper. She hears with a sample of Who Needs Clothes. So I'm still trying to get my hands on Who Needs Clothes, but I still got a sample nonetheless, so we can still do this. I'm not waiting anymore to do this. I had to wait on this. I finally got it last Thursday. This is the one I really wanted anyway. So, but I still want Who Needs Clothes, and I still wanted to show you guys Who Needs Clothes. I did manage to snag the puff, which is just so stinking cute. The packaging is so stinking cute. You guys know what the packaging looks like. I know you've seen it on plenty of other beauty gurus out there, but still nonetheless, I had to see my reaction and what it was gonna feel like and everything on my nice little brown sugar body right here. And I still did get the kabuki brush. Nothing has been opened or touched until now. This kabuki brush is so stinking cute. So the only thing I'm missing is the actual bottle of Who Needs Clothes, which I am going to get my hands on it. But until then, we just gonna have to work with this little sample that I got. Brush is number 160. It's very dense. So the first thing I'm going to put on, I'm gonna do one side with Who Needs Clothes, and then I'm gonna do the other side with brown sugar, and then I'm just gonna put it all together, and then we're gonna have lots and lots of fun. So I'm just gonna take this, my little ratchet, who knows how much this is considered, but I put it here on the brush, and and then I'm just gonna rub it in on my body. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so... This smells like a perfume I have. It feels good going on. Like, it feels really, really good. Let's see what we getting from there. I'm gonna do a little bit more because who can see that? And I have on the top, guys. I'm not out here just naked, living my best life. I'm living my best life, but I ain't out here naked, okay? Who Needs Clothes is... It's just got a nice sheen to it. It's got a really nice sheen to it. I see like the very light gold flecks in it. Okay. People have said it's sticky. The smell of it is amazing. I wonder if you just have to like really just buff it in though. Let's see if I buff it in more. Let's just ignore all my battle wounds and scars. You know what I'm saying? I was a thug baby. So when I rub it in more, let's see. Yeah, it's not as like sticky. You just have to like really buff this in. It feels like a oily, like an oil. It just feels like an oil. Like a real thick oil. Like a gel type of, it kind of reminds me of the baby gel oil that you can find at Walmart in that purple lavender bottle. That's exactly what this feels like. If you've ever had that in your life and you've ever rubbed that in, that's exactly what this feels like. That type of thick oil. But then when you, it's not annoying, but it's definitely something where you don't need to have on clothes with this. So you need to have on as little clothing as possible, ladies. Put some on my arm here so that you can see how it looks up close and personal. So hopefully you can see what it looks like on here. But it's very, I mean, it's very light. It looks really pretty on me. I thought it was gonna be like a lot more chunkier flex in the Who Needs clothes. I'm gonna show you guys the puff probably on my arm here, because one thing about the puff, I played with it before because I've had the puff the longest. What is this actually called? Because I keep calling it a puff. Yes, I've had the Fairy Bomb for the longest. I had it right when it came out, so I got it like the day it came out. I ended up getting the Fairy Bomb because that was like the last thing that was left at the time. And it's called Rose on Ice, the glittering pom-pom. And I did play with it once, and you should not use this while you are sticky of any sort. You can see that glow though. This seriously is just cute. I'm not even playing. This is just cute and it makes me feel fabulous. I'm not bad about purchasing it. It was actually a gift, so I'm really not mad about it at all. If you are looking to have something super cute and fun and like makes you feel real cute and fun and flirty and sexy on your vanity, then you better get this Fairy Bomb, girl. Now if you want something practical, it works. It gives you like a nice little shimmer. When you're using the Fairy Bomb, make sure that you have dry skin. The fur on it will start to stick to whatever you have on. But now let's try the one that I really want to try. So this one is Brown Sugar Bae. This bottle is ridiculous and you get so much of it. 3 fluid ounces for $59. Sign me up forever. Please don't ever stop making this. I think it says it's limited edition too on the Fenty Beauty website. So I'm gonna just do 3 pumps. Stick it in the center. Oh, I even like the pump cap. This smells so good to me. It dies down a little bit, but the scent is a little strong when it comes out. If you're not big on a lot of scented things, you may or may not like this. I could just hear my fiance now, you better show them on your arm and quit playing. You better quit playing. You doing too many, you me. I love making fun of him. It's definitely more golden. The flakes, the golden flakes seem to be more chunky. The Brown Sugar Body Lava versus Who Needs Clothes. And again, I will show you guys how this looks on my arm. I just feel like when the light hits it, I'm not sure if you guys can see it that well, but when the light hits it, oh, it just, the reflex are just so pretty. It really reminds me of the baby oil from Walmart in the lavender bottle. And it doesn't bother me at all. It just makes me want to just rub it in more until I get to my desired feeling that I like from it. And the more and more I rub it in, the more and more it doesn't bother me. Just depends on how long y'all want to buff. You want to buff? Knowing me, because I'm in a rush, I would probably buff this stuff on as much as I can and just take my little hand and just rub it right on in and call it a day. I'm missing a little bit of something here. Let me put on. What do you know? I've got Candy Venom right next to me. Woo! This whole look is just so spicy. Okay, so I'm gonna try to apply it one more time with my hands, and I want to see which one I like better. So I'm just gonna take the brown sugar and I'm just going to rub this all over. It feels better rubbing it in with your hands than it does the brush. The brush I feel like just adds that extra bit of luster and luxurious feeling, because the brush feels very soft and luxurious. I really love the way the brush feels, but if you really want to rub this in, use your hands. really, seriously, really, honestly and truly, use your hands. And it won't feel tacky or sticky or any of that people keep saying. Use your hands, you'll be fine. It'll feel like you just put on actual, like a baby oil. That is the details of this beautiful, quick, fun video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But if you love it, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know if you have already bought the Fenty Beauty Body Lava. Let me know what your thoughts are on it. Do you feel like you like to use the brush better with it, or do you prefer to use your hands? Become a part of my family so we can get to know each other. I can get to know you, you can get to know me, all of that. We're a big happy family, all of that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.